Hello and welcome, I'm Beatrice, and today's class is a Yin Yoga class with the support of the wall. So all you need for this is the wall, but if you also would like some support for your head, since we are lying down with the legs up the wall, you can use a blanket, a folded up blanket under your head. So when you're ready, come and practice with me. So begin to bring yourself to a wall, bringing one hip close to the wall and then beginning to bring the legs up as we turn around to lean on our back. And maybe scoop yourself forwards a little bit closer to the wall and let your head come down and maybe place that blanket underneath for comfort. So once your legs are up and straight at the wall, we'll start today's practice with figure 4 and begin to slide that left leg down, not too far, just so you bend that left knee gently, and then take that right foot, that right ankle to the top of your left knee. Now this might be enough. If it's not enough, you can begin to bend that left knee a little bit more, and most about 90 degrees, and the further down you go, the more intensity you will bring to that right hip. Adjust that ankle and come to that space of challenge, but never pain, and find stillness. And remember to soften especially the target area, which here is that right hip, but also the rest of the body. So try not to tense up against any posture. And to come out, start to send that left leg up, uncross the right ankle, and take a moment to come out first. You can take your feet a little wider, bring your knees gently side to side, or even hug your knees into your chest. Just bring the feet flat on the wall. Let's start to come the other way around. So start by bringing the heel of the right foot to the wall, gently bending that knee and then taking the left ankle to the top of your right knee, softening into that left glute and seeing if you want to stay here or if you want to slide that right foot farther down. Come into your space of sensations. Softening out that left hip now and the rest of your body as well. And to come out, begin to straighten out that right leg, uncross that left ankle gently, come through to center and take any movement that feels good. Perhaps straighten out both legs and wave the feet side to side, or take your foot flat and bring some movement of the knees side to side, or even hug your knees into your chest. Now if your hips have come a little bit far away from your wall, begin to bring them a little bit closer. Then take your legs as wide as you need to feel sensations in the inner thigh. Let the legs be heavy and settle your upper back on the ground. Maybe see if you've never practiced yin at the wall before. Notice the difference between your seated straddle or dragonfly and this version. And with your right hand, help your right knee bent. Bring the foot to the wall. Same thing with the left. Then take the outer edges of your feet to the wall. So you can bring the soles of your feet together, just like a butterfly. And let your feet drop in towards you as far down as you need to. And settle in your butterfly here. And again, notice any differences between your seated butterfly and your wall butterfly. Notice if you can feel any clenching here, any tension, perhaps you're not used to using the wall and it feels very awkward, and maybe you tend to hold some tension in, to hold yourself in certain postures. So try to soften and let the posture go wherever it wants to go. Helping the outside of your knees, bring the soles of the feet to the wall and begin to straighten the legs up to finish with legs up the wall. Take your arms out. If your shoulders allow, palms up, or you can keep your hands on your belly. And allow your attention to focus on all the lovely sensations running up and down the legs. You can close off the eyes or softly gaze up to the sky. Perhaps if you can feel sensations in other areas of the body, not just the legs, maybe it's the arms. Or you can really focus on the back of your body, on the ground, the shoulders and the head. The whole body soft. No holding, no resistance. And please enjoy this posture for as long as you like. I'll leave you here. If you enjoyed this class, please like and subscribe. Maybe even leave me a comment for requests or any other reason. And please share with your friends and family. Thank you very much.